The Petaluma River Promenade organization was created to help draw attention to the river-related groups like those appearing here under this umbrella, so that more public attention will be given to turning around our neglected downtown Petaluma River turning basin. With dredging always uppermost in our minds, this video will focus on the construction of the new Floathouse, currently in progress. So the first thing you want to do is watch this video created by the Floathouse team. Then we'll interview one of their leaders.
In the middle of downtown Petaluma, California, construction has begun on the Floathouse, a unique floating boat rental center, which will quickly become a vibrant magnet for river access. By donating today, you will help us provide the widest selection of small boats and help us launch programs and events for people of all ages to have fun and enjoy the Petaluma River, our longest park. Years in the planning and permitting, the dock-based Floathouse will rise and fall with the tides. You'll check in at the Floathouse office and choose from pedal boats, sailboats, stand-up paddleboards, kayaks, canoes, rowboats, and electric boats too. By supporting this campaign now and in the months ahead, you can help us build the Floathouse. Visit us at thefloathousepetaluma.org to donate and find out more. It's your river, your legacy.
What's happening here today?
Today we are installing the last 8 sections of dock for the Floathouse Small Craft Rental Center in hopes to open sometime in 2020, hopefully this summer. Still depends on fundraising. But this is the culmination, as you can look, at nearly 170 feet of dock, almost 4,000 square feet, and it'll become the home for future boat rentals. Anything you can pedal, paddle, row. There's obviously still more work to be done, but this first came the pile driving, and now there is the docks installed. Next will come boat racks, some fundraising for the office tent, and then the fleet itself, and then we'll be open so people can get their butts in boats.
The bottom line as it relates to the Petaluma River Promenade organization and the river-related groups appearing here under this umbrella is that more public attention will be given to turning around our downtown Petaluma turning basin. So special thanks to Greg for the interview and to the entire Floathouse team, and watch for more news about this important project as it develops. Don't you just love this town?